I have something fun today. If you have receding hairline, like you can see here, I like 2 fingers back, very receding hairline, and I don't have a lot of hair in my crown area either. So this is a cute, stunning fringe, the Statements collection from the wig company. So if you're afraid to cut your bangs, let's try this out. There's a label when it comes to you, so it comes with 2 stitches. I'm just going to cut that label out, snipping that off, get it out of the way, and now you're ready to pressure sensitive clips. So just open them up, and then we're going to clip it. I'm going to start at the front of my hairline and just slide it back in gently and press the clips closed. I position it where I think I want the bangs to be. Then there's one in the back, just clip that, press it in, and there you go. So it has these bangs and this face framing side. So we're going to do a little trimming here because I want it to, of course, match up with the side of my hair. On the front, I'm just pulling out some of my hairs there in the front. I have some baby bangs there that have been growing out a tiny bit, and I clipped a few, so this will help if it blows back. You won't be able to see where that starts, and will blend in with my hairline. Okay, so pull a little bit more out, position those bangs, and then I'm positioning the back clip a little bit more. Feels very secure now. I'm going to tease up that back here in a little bit. Now I'm going to comb the sides that blend in with your hair. I'm going to trim them up to match the length of my bob. So just comb it through, and then I'm going to get my little scissors and just angle it in and clip it. Super easy to do. I'm not cutting my own hair. I'm just trimming it up to where my bob starts, and there you go. See what little bit of volume that adds to the side of my bob. So we did one side. Let's go ahead and now and do the other side. Again, slide your fingers down, line it up to your bio hair, and then just trim it down in an angle to match your bob. I think it looks really cute because then it gives me that nice little extra here at the front of my face. So you're afraid of cutting fringe? Here you go. See how easy that was to be able to add that? So I'm just going to kind of tease it up in the back because I have such a thin crown. We want to cover up any of the scalp that might be showing. And then I'm going to give it just a little tease here and there to give it some volume. Blend that side in. I think this ends up being just really a fun, easy to put in hairstyle. Quick, ready to go. Little fringe. And there, no receding hairline now. It really makes me happy to see my hair like this. It's really cute. I like it. Then you can't, it looks like I have so much more hair. Then you can tuck it behind your ear, leave a little bit hanging down. And then I'm going to have one more suggestion of how I think it helps secure it a little bit. If you're afraid of it blowing off of you, I don't think it'll do that, but just in case, there's one more thing, and let's just get a cute headband, pop that on. Okay, now that's fun. I love it. So this is from the wig company, and it's called their Stunning Fringe. Go to the wig company, my details down below to check it out. Do it, my darlings. Bye.